Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome and thank you so much for joining me. Today we have Happy Mail from Ilene, and Ilene won, I can't remember what it was. She won a giveaway, and it was around the time that I was going to send her a journal that I made with the Echo Park collection that looks, kind of Disney-ish. And I just wanted you to see, look at her address labels. How cute are those? Oh my gosh, Beauty and the Beast. I looked for my letter opener for quite a while before I turned on the camera, but, well, I don't know where it is, you guys. It'll turn up, right? It's blue, and the problem with having everything royal blue and that you love it is then everything blends together. Like, I should have made the ribbon on my art glitter glue. I should not have made it my absolute favorite color. I should have at least gone like purple or red because they're not spread all over my counter all the time. Look at the stamp. I love this stamp. She knows it. My dog licked this envelope shut. That's awesome. Friend, good, Frankenstein, love you, all blue and wonderful. Decorate your envelopes, people. It's fun. Okay, let's see. Oh, this is so cute. Look at this. So she's got a patterned vellum right here. I got a new phone. I wonder if you guys will notice the difference. She's got a patterned vellum and some jewels and a strip of paper and some really cute little ropes. Nice texture. Just breathe and live life. Love it. I keep touching the vellum. The pattern is so crisp, I expect it to be embossed, but it's not. It just looks like it is. Oh, she said a couple things I'm just going to keep to myself. And then she said, keep up your positive spirit. We need more peeps like you. Hugs, my friend, Ilene. So, so cute. Thank you so much, Ilene. This is lovely Happy Mail, and I really appreciate it. It's just darling. Doesn't it look like it would be embossed, you guys? Really, really neat. And then she signs the back of her cards. You can sign them, date them, whatever you guys want to do. If you have a stamp. You know, I have my Crafting and Relaxing stamp somewhere. This is a 2-inch. I ordered a 3-inch first, and it was way too big for the back of cards. I like it okay. Some of you take your wood block stamps off. I would love to get this off and put it on my stamp positioner, but so far I haven't been brave enough, because what if I destroy it and need to order another one? Oh, Barb, will you email me again? I saw that you posted that you were going to email me, but I did not get an email from you, so I don't have your contact information. And Kathy, I got yours and I wrote back to you, so we're good. But Barb, I don't have yours. I probably won't make it to the post office on Friday anyway, so it's not a crisis. But I do want to know what your favorite color is so I can start putting things together. I hope everybody is really taking time for crafting and relaxing and giving themselves a break. I'm finding that working from home is not exactly how I imagined it, and I have to do a better job setting timers and alarms to stop, which I guess it makes sense. Once you start crafting, you get in the zone and you just keep going. It can be the same with working. So be sure that you are still giving yourself the space to create and have fun. I started cleaning my craft room a little bit. This is about how far I got. I'll show you. I cleaned all the cards and letters off of the shelves. And then I didn't really decide what I was going to do except for this. I got this far. I put my archivals right there. I thought about putting the color on the end like I did on that pink one. Then I got distracted. And then that was all my cleaning for the day. It looks really nice, but then down below, it looks like this. Thanks for watching, and be sure you're taking time for crafting and relaxing. Bye-bye.